Welcome to this informative video on a critical issue that affects us all, global warming. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the causes, consequences, and possible solutions to this pressing environmental challenge. At the heart of global warming are human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These activities release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the planet's temperature to rise. Global warming is the long-term heating of the Earth's surface observed since the pre-industrial period, between 1850 and 1900, due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat-trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. This term is not interchangeable with the term climate change. Since the pre-industrial period, human activities are estimated to have increased Earth's global average temperature by about 1 degree Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, a number that is currently increasing by more than 0.2 degrees Celsius, 0.36 degrees Fahrenheit, per decade. The current warming trend is unequivocally the result of human activity since the 1950s and is proceeding at an unprecedented rate over millennia. Industrial processes, deforestation, and agriculture also contribute to this issue by releasing gases like carbon dioxide and methane. As these gases accumulate, they create a greenhouse effect, leading to a warmer Earth. Though natural cycles and fluctuations have caused the Earth's climate to change several times over the last 800,000 years, our current era of global warming is directly attributable to human activity, specifically to our burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gasoline, and natural gas, which results in the greenhouse effect. The largest source of greenhouse gases is transportation, 29%, followed closely by electricity production, 28%, and industrial activity, 22%. Learn about the natural and human causes of climate change. The consequences of global warming are evident worldwide. Melting ice caps and glaciers are causing sea levels to rise, endangering coastal communities and ecosystems. Low-lying areas are particularly vulnerable. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, have become more frequent and intense due to global warming. These events disrupt ecosystems, damage infrastructure, and impact agriculture. The loss of habitats and changing ecosystems threaten countless species with extinction. Coral reefs, for instance, are dying due to warmer ocean temperatures, affecting marine biodiversity. Global warming is already taking a toll on us. And if we aren't able to get a handle on our emissions, here's just a smattering of what we can look forward to. Disappearing glaciers. Early snowmelt and severe droughts will cause more dramatic water shortages and continue to increase the risk of wildfires in the American West. Rising sea levels will lead to even more coastal flooding in the cities, islands, and in other areas such as the Gulf of Mexico and Maldives. Forests, farms, and cities will face troublesome new pests, heat waves, heavy downpours, and increased flooding. All of these can damage or destroy agriculture and fisheries. Disruption of habitats such as coral reefs and alpine meadows could drive many plant and animal species to extinction. Allergies, asthma, and infectious disease outbreaks will become more common due to increased growth of pollen-producing ragweed, higher levels of air pollution, and the spread of conditions favorable to pathogens and mosquitoes. Though everyone is affected by climate change, not everyone is affected equally. Indigenous people, people of color, and the economically marginalized are typically hit the hardest. Inequities built into our housing, health care, and labor systems make these communities more vulnerable to the worst impacts of climate change, even though these same communities have done the least to contribute to it. But there is hope. We can mitigate global warming by transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These sources produce minimal greenhouse gases and can power our world sustainably. Transportation is a significant contributor to global warming. Electric vehicles offer a cleaner alternative by producing zero tailpipe emissions. As technology advances, these vehicles are becoming more accessible and practical. Reforestation and sustainable land management play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide. Trees act as carbon sinks, helping to offset the emissions we produce. Addressing global warming requires international cooperation. Agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to unite countries in their efforts to reduce emissions and limit global temperature rise. In conclusion, global warming is a challenge that demands our attention. By adopting cleaner energy sources, protecting our ecosystems, and working together globally, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Remember, the Earth is our home, and it's up to us to take care of it. Thank you for watching.